Within offdanet, we need to present material to our students. What we're going to do is load material into each of the buttons in our folder template. Now, if I come in here, you can see I've got a little placeholder because there's no content in there. We don't want to have nothing. So, for example, button 5 here has got nothing in it, and so I get a file not found. So that's not very pleasant. What we want is, if there's nothing there, we should really have something that lets us know that the system is actually working. So I'm just going to very quickly copy that and paste it back in so that we've always got an index file as a placeholder. So now when I come to button 5, I see, well, I'm angry because I haven't got it working, there's nothing in there, but at least there is an indication that the system is working and that the fact is that there's no material. You could have just a page saying empty or something like that, but having an error is not good. Okay, we're going to put a Word document into our button 4 here. Okay, so very simple. We take our Word document, and this one's got some material that I want to work with. I want to get it through to the students. These are the tasks, what they're going to do. I've got the 3 different groups, and I want them to be able to open this up and be able to click on the group that they're in and go in directly and find out what they're supposed to be able to do. So it can be a simple Word document with nothing in it, or it could be a Word document with hyperlinks and other things in it that you want. This has got hyperlinks within the document itself. Now, what we're going to do is we're simply going to do a file save as, and I'm going to leave it back on my desktop at the moment as my best place, and I've called it index.docs because I do actually want it to end up as an index file, and I'm going to come down here to where it's a web page, and I'm going to change it to HTML and save. Okay, and here it's produced it as an HTML page, and I'm done. So I'm going to close that now, and let's just come back to my desktop and find where that has gone. There it is over there. Let's bring it back over, and we'll come back out and we'll pop it into this place. So we're wanting it here in button 4 I was going to put it. So I'm just going to grab it. Sorry, not from there. I'm going to grab it from my desktop and pop it in here. Going to replace it. Come back to my web page, and here I can now click on that, and so I'm going to have to refresh, I think. There it is. It's found my Word document, which has now been produced as a HTML5 page, complete with the hyperlinks. So very simple to be able to create a web page out of your Word document. You just have to use a few back buttons to get back out. Oops, I don't want to go to there. Back out to the first page. So that's a good example of where we might want to put a back button into our HTML. Okay, so a Word document, just save it as an HTML, put the L on the end because Word will default to HTM, name it as index, and you will be fine. What it's done is it's created a series of extra little pieces that go with it. When I dragged the index file across, it was intelligent enough to bring all of those files with it, and it's put them into my button ready to go.